Copilot. What is it and how do executives use it? I'm meeting Filip Descamp, who is leading the global Microsoft business unit at Devoteam.
Hey, Rebecca,
Filip.
nice to meet you.
How was your meeting with Microsoft? Did you get to talk about Copilot?
Not only we talked about Copilot, but I also used it to prepare my meeting.
Could you maybe show me?
Yes, definitely. So here you see Copilot in the browser, and I entered the prompt that is asking actually for all the information of the customers, and I asked Copilot to summarize all the action items and also the follow-ups for those specific customers, and to put everything in a table structured and even show when I was mentioned in one of those emails.
That sounds like a very good assistant.
Yes, I have to go to Paris later today for a business review with the executive management, and as the numbers refreshed this morning, I will definitely need Copilot to help me summarizing all that.
So do you only use Copilot to summarize?
Well, I use Copilot a lot for summarizing, but also to analyze numbers and create insights based on those numbers.
What do you mean?
Well, actually, you can embed structured data into the Microsoft Knowledge Graph, structured data coming from an ERP system or a CRM system. And then with the default Copilot in Excel, in Word, you can ask to analyze those numbers and create insights.
And what prompt do you give to Copilot to create an action plan? Do you just say, give me an action plan?
Well, almost, but I'm happy to show you in a second how it works.
Okay.
In the Microsoft business at Devoteam, we are spanning 12 countries. And for each country and for each month, we have these tables full with data on financials and on KPIs.
That is a lot of data, times 12.
Times 12 indeed. And so this is where Copilot becomes handy. We use Copilot to generate the insights and on the signings, on contribution margin, the KPIs, but also to generate overall observations on all this structured data.
And what prompt did you use to get this?
Here it becomes very interesting. So we use Copilot in Excel. Excel is connected to our ERP system and is getting all the same data that you just saw. And then we ask the analyze function in Copilot to look at it. And I use a very specific prompt for the insights I want to achieve. I ask Copilot to compare the signings from last year with this year and then generate the insights on these numbers.
To save you some more time, I think you might need to run for your train.
Oh yes, you're right. We have to hurry.
So how much time does Copilot save you?
Oh, I think this week it saved me almost 3 hours, and I reinvested all that time in quality time with my team members, and additional one-on-ones, conversations, feedback sessions, all that. That was great.